Alright guys, Black here. Getting ready to do my first oil change on the engine that was put in here. It has a little over 4,000 miles. I want to change the oil because I want to know what kind of oil is in here. I had planned to put Motorcraft 5W30 in here, synthetic blend, but I went to Walmart. Went to one Walmart, it was $20. I went to another Walmart, it was $22. So why didn't I get the oil at the first Walmart? There was 3 containers, all 3 of them was sitting in oil. I didn't know where the oil had leaked out, spilled or what, but basically I don't want to pick up a container that's got oil on the bottom of it. So I went to another Walmart, and that Walmart, the price was $22 for Motorcraft 530. What they call it? Synthetic blend. So anyway, instead of buying the Motorcraft, I decided to buy this. Pennzoil full synthetic 530. And it was like 19 bucks. Yeah, I know I said I was gonna put Motorcraft in here, but why am I worried about $2? Hey, what the hell? Oh, I am gonna put I got a quart of Volkswagen oil I bought from the Volkswagen dealership. By the way, how about I left my damn fan on for like, what is this? I guess you could say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Had left it on for 6 days because I was drying out my shirt. The whole time I was gone, this damn fan was running. Glad it didn't set the house on fire. Anywho, I bought this oil from the dealership. It was a little over $6. I'm gonna pour both of them in a container and talk about them later. Let me go ahead and change this oil before it get too dark. All right, guys, hope y'all can see this. It looks like it's, I guess you could say half of a quart low. I guess half of a quart low. Oh hell, it's even lower on that side. It's about a half a quart low, I guess. Wipe it off and check it again. Yeah, I guess it's about a half a quart low. I think I put like a half of a quart of a quart in here since the motor been put in. I think I did, but it ain't been a whole quart out of the 4,000 miles. It ain't been a whole quart. I'll assure you of that. First of all, let's see, can I turn it by hand? Oh yeah, hey, I'm able to turn it by hand, y'all. I can't believe it. They didn't put it on super tight. We're gonna let this drain for a while. And then I will take my hand. Oh, I bought some new gloves. That's right, I bought me some new gloves. Let me go get my new gloves. All right, I bought these on eBay for like 20 bucks. These are supposed to be extra large. And they do feel a lot thicker and stronger than the other gloves I had. They feel like they're twice as thick as the other ones. They're extra large, they're pretty comfortable. And they feel like they're gonna hold up a lot better than the cheaper ones. Shamrock. These are the Shamrock, and these are the FVP. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of a difference. Can you believe it? I bought a drain plug with a new washer. So why did I go to Volkswagen and buy a Volkswagen oil filter? Why not? I want to see, what's the difference, or is there a difference? All right, I like these new gloves, guys, but they are kind of hot. All right, oh, by the way, this is the reason why I always take the oil filter off first. Now, I notice everybody else, for some damn reason, they drain the oil first and then they take the oil filter off. No, I take the oil filter off first. If you drop the oil filter, as you can see, it won't splash oil everywhere. This is a Premium Guard PG 252 or PH 28770. Oh, replaces Fram. Oh, that's where that number came from. I thought that number seemed familiar. PH 2870A replaces Fram. God be whatever. These gloves are like really, really slippery. I mean, they tough, but they're really, really slippery. I got the O-ring off of the oil filter. Now I'm gonna tell you something people say you're supposed to do, right? Everybody say this. Everybody says this. Take a little oil and put it around your gasket. It makes the oil filter come off easier. Yeah, whatever. Alright, I'm putting it on hand tighten, and I'm wiping a little oil that dripped off. Oil dripped down here too. Dripped here too. Okay, so let's get this oil filter out of here so I can drain the oil. I also said I was going to change the oil in the transmission because this probably has never been changed. Come on, man, how much oil is going to drip out this damn thing? I'm burning daylight. Yeah, I didn't think the drain plug that was on here was like the one I got from the dealership. This one is made like this, and this drain plug is a bolt. Guys, you know what else they did? I think I've already talked about that. They left out a bolt right there. Would it matter? I don't know. Alright, I tried an 18 millimeter. That was too small. This 19 is slightly too big, but we're gonna see, can we get it out? Okay. Oops, somebody torqued the bolt on. Somebody torqued the bolt on. Glad it's not a Ford EcoBoost 2.7. Alright, so am I going to go back to the factory drain bolt? Bought the damn thing, might as well. Also, I'm gonna let the car down so it'll drain all the oil out. Once it quit draining. Oh. All right, I'm gonna let the car down, and we're gonna see is that gonna make a difference in how much oil comes out. Is more oil coming out? Slightly. And slightly more. So I guess it would help when you if you let the car down flat. All right, when the finish draining, I'm going to put the drain plug back in. I'm gonna put the new plug in and find out why the hell does oil keep leaking from there. Is it coming from the oil filter? Probably is, because it wasn't leaking before. It's an old car, but the damn sure wasn't leaking. I'm gonna put a little, spray a little goo-goo. Damn, I got in my face. That should stop the damn oil from running down. All right. Now watch me drop the oil filter bolt. I mean the oil plug bolt. Well, guys, it's going in. I got kind of stiff there though. Damn. Oh, I got a bad bushing, y'all. Guess I need to replace that bushing right there. You know, I've been meaning to get up on here and find out what the hell is, damn, look, I got a axle bolt coming out too. What the hell? You mean to tell me they didn't tighten my act? Man, there's a couple of them loose. Man, I swear. Now I gotta tighten up my damn axle bolt. Y'all have a good day. Guys, this is the next day, as you can see. And you can still see some brown in the oil, so I guess it wasn't completely dirty, even though it does has just under 4,000 miles. But I'm so glad I did decide to change the oil, because as you can see, the axles were loose on this damn thing. I tightened up the axle on both the driver and passenger side. I guess it's true. You really need to torque it 36 pounds of torque. Did I do that? I don't know. I didn't use the torque wrench. but I did tighten it pretty tight, a lot tighter than I did the first time. Actually, I never tightened the left side. I tightened the right side because that's the side I replaced the axle. Well, anyway, I put the quart of this in, and I put, I guess, 3.5 quarts of that. Actually, I put 3 quarts in because it's 2 quarts left and the car is full. I don't know if there's a whole 4 quarts or 4.5 quarts, but I assume 4.5. But it is slightly low. That might explain why it's slightly low, because I only put 4 quarts. Yeah, 4 quarts in there. No, yeah, 3 quarts plus that's 4 quarts. So that's probably the reason why it's like half a quart low. But I'm gonna get ready to bag it in, and I'm gonna check the oil again. And oh yeah, I showed y'all. No, I didn't tell y'all in the video. I found out why what they call the rear motor mount, also called the dog bone. Well, it is bad, and I went to AutoZone to try to get one today, but it was AutoZone didn't have it. Well, let's lie. They didn't have the one I wanted. The one I wanted was like 50 some bucks. They had one that cost $100 and some. I think it was $108. I had to go to another store. It's not too far away, but I don't want to spend $108 for a mount that I can get online for $34. So I'm just gonna order it online off eBay and wait. And but today I'm gonna put it in, check the oil, go ahead and add a half a quart of oil. And there's something else I want to do. I guess that's it. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. The axle bolt. This one is broke. One of them broke. So I'm glad only one broke. So I'm gonna have to get that bolt out. But I'm in no hurry. I'm sure, I don't know, I think it holds 6 bolts, holds it, I think. So 5 of them in there, it'll be fine. So I'm not in no hurry to get it out. But I'm just glad I decided to check the oil today, because it was only like maybe 1 or 2 bolts. Well, I ain't gonna say 1 or 2 bolts. Maybe 3 bolts was still in there. And even though that little motors don't have much torque, it probably would have snapped them bolts, just like it snapped this bolt. Anywho, I guess that's all I can think of. Just complete the oil change. I guess that's it. I mean, last night the oil looked real black, but I see now it has some brown in it, so it wasn't completely gone. But I'm so glad I decided to change the oil. Hey guys, I checked my oil just now, and it is pretty low. It look like it's a quart low. Is it leaking oil? I don't see any oil spots out here, so maybe I didn't fill it up. Yeah, it's showing like I guess that's a quart. I don't know. This is my first time. Let's see what happens if we put a quart in here. All right, guys, I just put a half a quart in there because it was on 2 and now it's on 1.5. So I put a half a quart in there and it's now showing full, but it scared me there for a second. Okay, it's dry now. Can you see that? There's nothing on it. Now that crosshatch is gone, so I'm guessing from here to here is like a half a quart. I'm guessing from here to here, because I only put a half. It seemed like it was right there when I started, so I guess that's the half a quart. So I guess it's not leaking oil, but I'm still gonna jack it up in a second because I gotta. Well, I'm supposed to be replacing the damn horn on here. I bought some horn online, but guess I'll fix that tire first. All right, pretty much this is the oil that came out of the Golf. So it was slightly more than slightly less than a quart. I mean, 4 quarts. There was some oil in the filter, but it wasn't that low. So I guess that's the end of the oil change. And I guess I'll go ahead and take that tire off and get it put on the rim and then swap it with that one.